Hello everyone! Ha ha ha! Dad having some trouble with birds. Let's watch the famous bird collection at Peekupark, Yearcaud with lots of fun. Modest entry fee with a wide array of fun activities such as bird shows, rides and play areas for children. In entrance, small cafe is also there. Here we can see domesticated and non-domesticated animals. Now we are going to enter into live bird park. Read these instructions before you enter. Here we can feed different type, wide range of bird and enjoy. Birds are so amazing and colorful. Not only birds, even we can see different types of goats. This ostrich is so amazing. We can feed coriander leaf to this ostrich. Even we can ride this amazing vehicle which is payable and had fun with this beautiful turkey. Finally, we came to the play area and had so much fun. Thank you for watching.